channel. I'm Cowgirl Kenzie, or the Chronically Ill Cowgirl, and I make videos related to chronic illness and being on a farm, as well as trying to do some educating in the future and advocacy, and who knows. I'm just trying to be creative and show you guys what my life is like being on a farm and being chronically ill. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and leave a like down below, and let's get into the video. So today, I don't really know what I'm doing, honestly. I have a lot of things I need to do, but I have no motivation to do it, and I'm really exhausted, honestly. Even though I've been sleeping like crazy, it's not been the most restful the last few nights. So I'm like fried, honestly. I just want to go back to bed, but that's I can't really do that. I need to get some things done. So, oh, excuse me. I'm just finishing up getting ready for my day. I don't know if I want to braid my hair or if I want to wear it down. I think I'm gonna braid it, but I'm gonna do 2 braids this time instead of 1. So I hope y'all are having a great day or evening whenever you're watching this. My hair. Let me know down in the comments below how your day's been, and if there was anything that you feel like is worth sharing. I don't know. I would like to hear from you guys. I don't get very many comments, so if anybody wants to share, go for it. I would love it. So, Max is out mowing currently, so I'm just trying to get started. I know I need to do some cleaning in the house today. Mostly just house chores, honestly. That's like all I can think of. There we go. That's a more even split. It always takes me forever to do my braids because my hair is just so difficult to deal with sometimes. It's so fine and it knots up so quick that trying to braid is quite a task. There we go. Okay. I've also got some family friend. We have a family friend that's staying with us currently. So I've been kind of checking in on her and helping her out with a few things here and there. And just trying to do something, you know, because there's so much that needs done, and when I have no motivation to do any of it, it's like, alright, just fucking pick something and do it. If I have the energy for it, or the will to go do it, you know, I don't know. It takes a lot of self-discipline and determination on days like these. Nope. That ain't gonna make it. Oh well. It works. Let's see. Oh, that's wrong container. Just have a giant jar of hair ties since I lose them so frequently. So, no, yes. There we go, okay. We're getting there. Ouch. There we go. Getting there. Woohoo! Oh man. Hopefully I can spend some time outside because it's so sunny today. I'm excited about it. I miss the sun so much. Like, oh, you have no idea. Although I'm sure lots of you do, but it's just so, like, I don't know, refreshing and healing for my soul when I can be back out in the warm sun and just like soak it up and feel good, you know? Especially after how long this winter has been. Anyways, all done. My goodness, looks like I need to mainly focus on the bathroom today with my cleaning. But other than that, let's see, other than that, there's not a lot of cleaning I have to do, but hopefully watching a cleaning video on YouTube will help get me motivated. So for now, I am headed out to put up chicken coop signs that we have that need to get put up. So I'm going to take you guys with me out to the chicken coop so that I can show you guys once it's done. This is the chicken coop. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This is the side. And then we already have one sign up. But I want to put the other two up. It's so beautiful today. Oh, I'm loving it. I can't wait for these trees to start sprouting out. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. Okay, so progress so far. I've hung this one right here, but I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure where to put this one. I think it would be really cute to hang it on the gate maybe, or like above the gate, but there it would be really hard because it doesn't, the wood doesn't quite space out right for me to do it there. But I think it would be really cute to put it on the gate, but I'm not quite sure because like there's so much like open space that I could put it. I don't know. I'm gonna think on it. Well, I got one sign hung and I think I'm gonna put the other one on the gate, so I gotta go back and get some wire for it. But it also looks like my nieces and my sister just got here, so I will probably catch up with you guys in a little bit. Oh my goodness, it is much later, but I had several hours with my sister and my nieces, which was amazing. I love seeing them, and those girls are so much fun. But I am exhausted now, so we're getting ready to cook dinner. So I'm gonna be grilling burgers tonight, so I may get a few clips in there of that, and then I think we're probably going to be crashing out because me and Max are both exhausted from today. He did a lot of walking and riding the lawnmower, and my knees are killing me because I did a lot of walking as well. So it's just been a long day all around, but it's been a fun day. So I am excited for burgers tonight, and I am excited to sleep tonight. I hope I sleep good tonight. So yeah, that's just kind of been the day so far. I finally got the signs all hung up on the chicken coop. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. Here's number 1 and number 2. I think it's perfect. Hey girls, what you doing? So pretty tonight, or this evening, I suppose. It's only like 7 o'clock, so it's evening, but it's just so beautiful. I'm obsessed. I really love living out here just because there's just so much beauty every day, every single day. There's always something. Well, it looks like this evening we're gonna be sorting cows first because we have a calf that was born late that needs to be separated. So I'm getting ready to head out and do that, and then we're gonna be grilling. So I will get some clips as I can and catch up with you guys later. Okay, well, I didn't get any shots of grilling dinner, but the burgers were amazing, for the record. They were bomb, and I am tired. So right now Max is in the shower. He's getting ready to do a foot bath so that we can do some good cleansing and everything. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, one moment. This is the foot bath that we used. Don't mind the dirty spots. That's just because I didn't clean it as well as I should have. So basically, it's this little foot spa that pulls out a lot of the toxins in your feet. And so all it takes is a little bit of salt and this setup, basically. And you do it, I think it's like 30 minutes or so that it lasts. That it takes at least to do it all. But yeah, I love doing these foot baths because realistically, with how many toxins there are out in our world anymore, in our food, you know, in the things that we consume, like especially if you smoke cigarettes, if you do anything else, you know, harder than that, you know, all of it. Alcohol, even just takeout food sometimes has some pretty nasty shit in it. So doing something like this is really helpful for the body. And man, do your feet feel amazing afterwards too. It's so nice. It's like your feet just feel so much cleaner. It's amazing. I also decided to rearrange a little bit so that things are more open, and now that the weather is warming up, we don't really need the wood stove anymore. So I put Rosie's kennel right here, moved this hall chair right here, set it up like this with the TV and all of this. Don't mind all of my blankets and pillows everywhere. With the girls here it got kind of messy, but yeah, I like this flow a lot more. I think it works a lot better for now anyways, until I can figure something else out. Alright, well, I think that's gonna wrap up this day in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know there wasn't a whole lot that happened, and I definitely am out of practice again with getting clips and stuff, but hopefully it was enough for you guys to enjoy. And if you did, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you come back to my next video because I'm going to be doing a lot more content once I get my house sorted out. And even before I get it sorted out, I'm really trying to push myself to do some more videos that aren't just vlogs, and trying to push myself as a creator so that maybe I can get more comfortable vlogging around other people too, and I can bring in Max and maybe my parents. We'll see how it goes. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Love you guys.